How to copy multiple messages in WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to select and copy multiple messages at once in WhatsApp on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, open the chat where you want to copy messages. Long press on the first message you want to copy. Now, the message will be selected with a check mark. Tap on additional messages to select multiple ones. Each selected message will show a blue check mark. Moving forward, once you've selected all the messages you want, tap the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Copy from the menu options. All selected messages will be copied to your clipboard. You can now open any app like Notes, Email, or Messages. Long press in a text field and tap Paste. Afterwards, all your copied WhatsApp messages will appear with timestamps and sender names. This works for both individual and group chats. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you copy multiple messages in WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.